Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. This enchanting Mallorcan villa is located in Capdella, an idyllic village where you'll experience true, authentic Mallorcan lifestyle. This property has been beautifully renovated with the utmost attention to detail, preserving unique pieces such as the wooden beams on the ceilings, a typical Mallorcan blue shutters, and its facade lined with beautiful Mallorcan stone. This property is absolutely stunning and encompasses the true passion of the island. From all of the rooms around the house, you can savour the beautiful views of the garden and the swimming pool. If you love nature and privacy, the sunny days and the tranquility and security that Mallorca has to offer, please view this property. It's absolutely stunning. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.